Yeah. Okay. So till everyone is joining, so let us start with the introduction. Before that, okay. So basically, we are about to start with the Git and GitHub. So we'll be doing the installation and that all basic features and commonly used commands that I will be telling. And after this session, you will be getting the whole means the cheat sheet of the Git and GitHub, in which it will you will be getting how to install and everything, each and everything included in that, and it will be written out there. And other than that, you will also be getting the basic commands, basic to advanced level commands for the operations in the GitHub and Git, and that all stuffs will be there in that document that you will be getting after this session. Okay, so basically, what is Git? So Git, so these all things are very important because when you will be going on to be interviewed by by some of our companies and some of the startups on which you means on whatever the projects you are working on, so they will be basically they will just see the first three things in you. First thing, that is the communication, and the second thing, that you are collaborating ready or not, and the third thing, are you creative or not. So this is one of your skills that you need to focus on, as this will be a very important skill for you to be collaborating in the IT industry. Okay, even it is from Azure or from GitHub, both are same, just the platform is different. Just the thing is the concepts are also same, that you need to take it up and also learn it properly. Okay, like these all terms means whatever the terms that I will be telling you right now. Okay, so first of all, I'll be explaining you the Git. So Git is basically the distributed version control system. Okay, DVCS, distributed version control system, that will help us to track the changes in the code and collaborate with others, and also it will maintain a different versions of the project, like we do. As Git is a thing that you will be installing in your system locally, and that will do what, that will just means whenever you will be initializing the GitHub or Git onto any of your code or any of your repository, at that time you will be getting this Git enabled on that particular project, and it will track each and every changes of your code. Got it? Means if you are changing anything, means a single word also, a single sentence also, or a single letter also, it will be tracking it over there in local. Even you are connected with the internet or not, that doesn't matter, it will be tracking it. Okay, and for pushing out the code to the GitHub, at that time you only need the internet. Without it, you are not means it is not required for Git to run with internet. Okay, if it is not, you are not having internet, the Git will run, not the GitHub. Okay, so this was basically created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 for managing that Linux kernel, which is totally open source, available in the GitHub. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to learn, and you need to memorize these all things. Like these all they do ask when they are starting with your interviews. Okay, so some of the things that are the features what the Git allows to be means that it does allows for doing is the first thing, that is the version control, to track the changes in the file. Okay, as I have explained you, like version control will be tracking all the changes that you are doing inside the file where you have initialized the GitHub. Okay, and the second feature that it allows, the Git allows, is collaboration among multiple developers. Means like whenever you are initializing the Git into any of the repositories, you will be sharing that code, means you will be pushing that code to the GitHub, you will be pulling the code from the GitHub, and your teammate will also be doing the same, so that all things will be that rebase and basing the particular repository on your local machine, that is being done by Git only. Whatever the operations that are done in your machine, that is handled by Git only for the collaboration purpose. Okay, so that's the thing that Git allows. Other than that, the branching, merging to work on different features simultaneously, Git do helps on that. Okay, and also Git helps to back up and recovery the project history. Means Let's say if you have developed something and means you have pushed it onto the main repo, okay, the main branch. Okay, so at that time, means after it going on, means after you push it on the main repository, then it is on the live production. Let's say the main branch is in live production. So and when it goes on production, it got failed. Okay, and your application is going down. Okay, so build is going down, so your application is going down. So in that case, it will hamper your business, it will hamper your applications data, it will also hamper your customers who are coming onto your application for their use. Okay, so at that time you can just rebase your system like onto the old version, so that you can work on to that feature later on and fix it, and after that push it onto the main. Okay, so that's the backup and recovery thing to helps on this particular situation. Okay, so that is all about a short description on Git basically. And if we talk about GitHub, so GitHub is basically the cloud based platform that hosts the Git repositories and also provide additional tools for the collaboration, like and also the project management and also for the automation. Like let's say I will give you an example of GitHub Actions that is used, that's an automation that is being used to automate the build process. Okay, so to automate the build process, to apply the CI/CD pipelines over there from the GitHub. So these GitHub Actions are being used for that. Okay, so there are multiple things in the GitHub that you will be using. So basic thing that you will be using is first, like you will be hosting your repository over there, and you will be adding the collaborators who will be working, means let's say your team members, means your team members who will be there, they will be collaborating on the GitHub only. Okay, and when they are collaborating on it and they are doing on their work, you can also see that and also add as many permissions on it. Like if let's say like no one can push your code without your permission or like that. Okay, so these all permissions you can modify it over from there. Okay, so like this, these all are the basic features that you will be getting in GitHub. Okay, so these are the basic features, and other than that, it also allows the team to work together on a project. Okay, means I've told you now that collaboration. Whenever you will be going on to collaboration, I will show you after I explain these all things. Okay, whenever you will be going on to collaboration, at that time you will be getting means there add people, and where you will be adding your teams, and they will be getting the means invitation from your side, and they will be accepting it, and after that they will be doing the operation. So these all things GitHub do offer. Okay, and also hosting and sharing the repositories, issue tracking, project management, pull request, code reviews, continuous integration, CI/CD support, and also access control and security features the GitHub do offers. Okay, so don't worry if you are not getting these all things, you will be getting these all things written on to your document. Okay, and you can refer to the document. Other than that, this session is also under recording, so you'll be also getting the recorded session also, so that you can also get the explanation again and again from that recording also. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the installation. After the installation is done, we'll be moving on to the demo of it. Okay, got it. Okay, so till now in the introductory part, if anyone is having any type of doubt, you can ask. Okay,
Sir, Git and GitHub are same or it gonna be different?
no, it is totally different. So okay, I'll just explain you the difference between the Git and GitHub. Okay, like first of all, on the definitive part, like what I have told, Git is a version control system. It's a distributed version control system that do tracks the changes in code. And what's a GitHub? So it's a cloud based platform for hosting the Git repositories and enabling the collaboration. That's the basic definitive difference between Git and GitHub. If you go on functionality, so what's the purpose of Git? So the purpose of Git is to manage the local and remote version control of the project. Okay, that's the purpose of Git. And what's the purpose of GitHub? So it will just provide you a remote storage, team collaboration, and additional development tools. Okay, that it will be providing. If I give you the difference on the usage, so it is used on the local machine, the Git. It is used on local machine. You will be installing it right now. And also it will be used for tracking the changes and the branching and the merging of code. Okay. And if you go on to the usage for the GitHub, so it will just be used for hosting the repositories, code reviews, and team collaboration. That's it. Okay. So Git is an application that you will
Okay,
be
sir.
downloading right now in your system, and GitHub on the GitHub will be means sign your Google. Okay,
Little bit internet issue,
and
sir.
the basic
Your
informations
voice
the
is
GitHub
not
will be
audible.
asking, and you need to sign up with GitHub. Okay, these two things you need to do right now. Okay, I'm just giving the link.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your doubt?
Yes.
So your
Sir,
voice
basically
is
Figma also the collaboration with team members also, no sir. The collaboration work has been done in Figma also. No? Why we can use these tools for only for development as well?
Yeah, it is only for development, not for Figma, not for UI UX. Okay,
Okay,
it is
okay,
for
okay.
development. In UI UX, we can't share the code, we can't collaborate with the codes and all.
Yeah, yeah.
There
We
we can
can
just
share the sir. We can share the code on div mode. No, that's the reason I'm asking to you.
means what?
In Figma, div mode is has been there. Um, div mode, sir. Mode D E V sir. We
That's a
can share
different
the
thing.
code over
And
there.
GitHub,
That's the reason. It's
no,
little
no,
bit
no, no. It's not about sharing the code. It's about everything. Means total software development. Okay.
okay, okay.
So under the software development, means the GitHub, the version control system is only solution to go with a large amount of codes. Okay. And
Okay,
also
sir. Thank you
industry
for.
do follow with this thing only. Okay, so yeah, where we were is I'm just giving you a link to download the GitHub in your system. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
yeah, I'll give you the time for installation. You can install it, and rest all the things you will be getting it on the document, so don't worry about it. Okay, yeah,
Sir,
here
please
is the
share the
link.
video. Sir, please share the this video on group, sir. Sometimes we can forget about that as well. That's the reason. Please share the video and
The
group, sir.
team is there only. I'm not sharing. The team is there in the meet also. Okay, they will be sharing the recorded session after the session only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't
Thanks
worry.
a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So I've given a link over there in the chat. You can go on to that link, and I'm just telling you for the Windows. So you'll need to go to Windows and download the 64-bit or 34-bit Windows setup. Okay, the standalone installer, and install it in your system. Okay, and after this you need to go on to GitHub. Okay, I'm just giving you the link of that also.
and so you use only Linux operating system.
Is what?
Linux operating system, like only Linux. I don't have Windows in my laptop.
Okay, for Linux and Mac I will be telling you. For Windows just do it.
Sir,
Sure, sir.
actually, one
Sure.
question is there, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, is it important for the data analytics, Git?
Yeah, it's important, and it's important for everyone except the UI UX.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I have a question.
yeah, please.
While creating an account on GitHub, do we have to use the same email address which we are using now to connect? So, or because
No,
I
no,
have,
no. Create your own. If you have your own account, then it's fine. If people will not be having, that's why I am going with the generic
okay, okay.
steps.
No, I
Okay.
just thought
If you are
you will.
having, if you are having your system ready with your GitHub, then it's fine. Don't do anything.
Okay, okay,
Okay. This is for them who haven't done. Okay.
okay. I thought you'll have to we'll have to refer it later. No?
No,
So I
no,
thought
no needed to means
create
multiple
new
accounts.
one.
It's
Okay,
not.
good.
Yeah, it's not required. If you have, it's fine. If you don't have, create it right now,
Okay. Thank
because
you.
from the next session you will be interacting with that, so that's why it is required.
Okay, understood.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so install it and create an account in GitHub for everyone. I'll wait for uh, 10 to 15 minutes. It will be enough, no? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. This way
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be waiting for 10 to 15 minutes and just install it. If you require some help or anything, you can ask. And while installing Git, you just go with the recommended checks only. Don't do any other checks. Okay. And at the end, you will be getting like add to home menu or something. You need to check out that and just install it in your system. Okay. That's all you need to do. And after that, create an account in GitHub. And now I'll be telling you for the Mac OS. So for the Mac OS, you can just download and install your Git by using Homebrew. Okay, just you need to give a command as brew install Git, and your system will be installing the Git in your system. Okay, so I'm
Excuse
just
me, sir.
writing it on the chat. You can get from there for Mac OS. Okay, and for Linux, you need to just do some more steps, like just give that command over there. Like for the Linux, you need to do that sudo apt update, and after that you can install the Git by sudo apt install the Git. Okay, and after installing, you need to check like the Git is installed perfectly or not by Git version. I'm just writing that command over there in the chat. You can use from there. Okay,
Sir, is it necessary to create a start menu folder?
which folder?
Sir, after downloading it, it is showing to create a start menu folder.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
Excuse me,
given,
sir.
yes.
I already have GitHub account, sir, but
Yes.
I don't have any followers. I have created repositories and I have posted into it. How can I get the followers in that, sir?
GitHub is not an Instagram, so it's not required to get a follower in that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's a development tool. It's not on Instagram or Facebook where you need to have some followers or LinkedIn. Okay, so GitHub, you need to use it for the collaboration purpose.
Sir, hello, sir. After installing Git,
Yeah,
they're showing launch Git bash. Sir, I need a guidance for installing the Git.
yeah. Please ask. If you're facing any
Sir,
difficulty,
can I
also you can.
share my
Yeah,
screen
yeah,
to you?
yeah. You can share your screen. You
Okay,
can
sir.
share your screen and restart installing. We can also showcase it over the session only.
Sir, I installed Git. At the end, they're showing launch
Okay.
Git bash.
Yeah, you need to have the Git bash. You can launch it and check it, and after that, just means go onto the terminal or the CMD and just type this Git version and you can
Yeah.
get the version of the Git so that your Git is installed. You can check it from it. I'm just writing it in the chat. Okay, you can just do that.
Excuse me, sir. I got
By
Why
this
is it showing?
particular, yeah, tell me one by one.
Sir,
sir.
is
I
it
got Git
showing my
GUI
screen?
and
Yeah, it's visible.
sir. I have got Git GUI and as well as command line prompt. On both, what I have to do, sir? One is asking
Com-
like create new repository or
See
clone
here,
repo.
he will be installing. Yeah, he will be installing. See here.
Professor, what to do now?
Yeah, next,
Next.
next, and here you need to click on the desktop, that option, and check data for Git for Windows update. Don't do next. Have I asked you? Go back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check that means that unchecked
Check.
one. What is written over there? Can you
Sir, check
please?
daily for GitHub Windows
Yeah,
update.
yeah, 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 yeah. It will update it. Okay. Next option is what is written? Add the Git
Add
profile
it
to
to
the
Windows.
Windows terminal. Yeah, that you
Yes,
need
sir.
to do. Check it.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you can go on next. Next. Don't create the no. It's fine. You can create. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next. 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 Every recommended option you need to use. Yeah. Next. 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 Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next. Next. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Now it will be installing. So this is the step that you need to do. Let the installation be completed. Okay. It will take some time. Yeah. Here you need to click onto that launch. Yeah. And your bash will also be launched. So finish it. Yeah. Fine. It's done. Your bash is also running in there. You can see the bash is running. The Windows bar you can see. That is that's nothing. You can just close that window. That's the release notes only. Yeah, down you can see your bash is running. Yeah, this is the git bash. Okay. Yeah, fine. Your installation is done. Like this, everyone, please do it. And after that, tell me. And after that, after you have installed, create an account in GitHub. Okay. By going on to github.com.
Hello, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you assist me with my Mac installation?
Yeah, you can just a single command only, brew install git. Just open your home brew and just do it as brew install git, and it will just install it in your system.
Okay, just a minute.
That's all. You can just refer on to the chat section. There I have written everything.
I opened the home view. In,
Yeah.
in that, it's giving a command to copy paste.
Which command to copy paste? You can share your screen.
Yeah, please. Just a minute.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, is this helpful for UI UX designer?
No, for it is not for UI UX.
So I don't have need to install it.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hello.
like it is used for cybersecurity students.
Yeah. Except
Oh,
UI UX, everyone needs to set up it. Okay, because trainer will be asking you to do it on the on while they will be doing. Okay, so that's why now only you have joined. So install it and clear that thing.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. This is the screen. Can you see it?
No, you need to open the homebrew.
Okay. I've like this is just a minute. It's showing like this. I went into Mac. Now
Okay.
install Homebrew. If you don't have already, then this is the command.
Yeah. So brew install git that means that you need to give that in homebrew only. So other than you need to have that homebrew.
So from where should I download?
Okay.
Install.
I'm giving you the link. Okay. 1 second.
Yeah.
Go to the terminal first.
Yeah. I mean, like my terminal is on.
Paste paste that command into the terminal then.
I tried it, but it's asking for password, and when I'm trying to enter the password, it's not taking my command. I don't know why.
Enter your that system password.
I'm trying to, but I'm trying to type it, but I don't know why it's not taking it.
Maybe your caps lock key is on.
No, it's not actually. And that's what I'm trying since a long time.
Bro, it won't show you the code what you're typing. Just it simply take the key input key. When you after completion of your entering your password, then click on enter. Directly it will take you to installation. It will not show you what you're typing. It's just take the input key.
Okay, let me try. Okay.
There's a link in the chat.
Other than that, you have one more option to do using the ports. Okay. Mac ports that you can use.
Okay, sir. Let me try.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, after installation of Git, I have got Git GUI and as well as Git command. One is asking for like a create repository or like a clone existing repository. It's
Nothing
completely
you
done
need
now.
to. Yeah, it's done. You are not required to do anything else.
Okay. Thank you, sir. After installation, what to do?
Create an account in GitHub.
So what will be the next step after creating the account?
Sir, do we need to create user ID after installing Git?
Yeah, you need to create it on GitHub. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. I have finished installation of GitHub on my Windows. Then
Okay.
what we have to do?
Again, same question. You're not listening out the session? Just
Sir, I
create
am
an account.
listening.
Yeah, you
Okay, okay.
every time I'm telling, like after installation, you need to create an account in GitHub. Simple thing.
Okay, sir. We do not have to open the Git bash. The Git bash has opened and it is asking for command.
It's not required. Which command have
Okay,
I
sir.
gone? Okay, just go with the instruction only. Yeah.
Okay, sure, sir. Okay, okay.
Done with creating GitHub
Okay.
account.
Okay, let everyone do it. Everyone have done? Or do you need time?
Yes, sir.
Sir, already done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done,
It's done.
Done.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Okay. Everyone have done now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One by one, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So anyone who is left with
Yes, sir.
download or needs time?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it
Yes, sir.
still.
Completed, sir.
I'm still doing it.
Okay, okay. Okay, do it first.
So let me share my screen again. Just a minute. This in this Mac, it's still a bit. I don't know. I'm unable to do it. So when I clicked on the installation, the link that you have shared, it's showing like this. This is the screen it's showing. So any idea what can be done?
Install with the homebrew only. I'm not having my Mac, so I
Bro,
can't
instead of
share
doing all
screen.
this, just open your terminal and
Yeah, just open
copy
your
paste
terminal
the
and go with Mac ports
co-
that I've shared.
copy paste the given link which I have given in the chat board and go continue with through it. Enter the key and continue through it.
So this is
You can share your complete screen. It's only your
okay.
browser screen is visible. Share your
Okay.
entire screen.
Sure, sure.
Or Mohit, you can text me personally. I will help you out.
So yeah. Yes, sir. Just a minute. So this is my screen. Yeah. So I have started my terminal. Now, what's next?
Brew install Git.
Okay. Command not found. Brew.
Homebrew is not installed.
Yeah, sir, that's what I am asking because when I clicked on the link for installing Homebrew, so it went on the developer page that I showed you.
Enable the developer mode.
This was the screen.
So you have to enable the developer mode.
Okay.
Yeah, just give a command as install Homebrew and the password. It will install.
Let me copy it. Paste it. Now it's asking for password, but I am unable to enter the password.
Password will be not visible.
Just press on enter. No, password after password.
Just type your password and press enter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I am unable to type my password. I don't know what's happening.
It won't visible to you, bro, after typing. Just simply
Okay.
type and click on enter.
Okay.
Just type the password and click enter.
Okay. Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay, great. Is it an enter the continue key? Okay, so now I'm done. Like it's installed, right?
Go to Git installation, like Brave install Git.
Should I type this now? Brave install Git.
Yeah.
Still showing command not found.
Just go with the second step. Okay.
Bro, once update your system and try it back again. You need to update your system once again.
It's already updated. Just
Update it and try it again. And other than that, you go with the second Mac code one. Okay, Mac codes. Just clear your terminal and come with the terminal and
okay.
start. Okay.
Your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's not.
No, any idea? Was even the system is updated.
The only is to install. I think it is. You can just okay. Just check with your update and that all things, and just go with the codes. Okay. Just try it on.
Your voice is
Okay,
not clear.
terminal unit code.
So your voice is not breaking.
Hello, sir.
Use sudo command.
sudo port
So support install git core. That's
install.
written on the chat.
Okay. Okay.
You need to download or install the sudo first.
Okay.
Download first sudo.
Is it on given on this page how to install sudo?
Try searching it in the search bar.
Okay. Yes, sir.
How to install sudo on Mac.
Bro, use ChatGPT.
Now let's continue with this.
Yeah, you can use that only.
Or else you can watch a video on YouTube.
Okay. I'll do that. Post our lecture. I'll do that. Thanks a lot.
Hello.
He is not available in the meeting.
Hello. Hello.
You are audible, but he is not audible. He is not
Hello.
in the meeting.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello. Audible.
Yes, you are audible.
You are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Mm. So what
Yes,
is
what?
the downloading
He disconnected.
GitHub or Homebrew?
Yes, you're audible.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
I'm asking you.
Yes, sir. Yes.